Stop by and take a look at the 2025 GLA. The Mercedes GLA class offers the versatility of a hatchback, but with the power of a sports car. The exterior styling is aggressive and resembles that of other Mercedes models. This vehicle has less than 9,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, turbocharged, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, power liftgate, daytime running lights, LED headlights, four-wheel disc brakes. Your new ride is just a phone call away.